In my today's video, I'm going to introduce you to two different types of plants. One is Graptoveria pink ruby, and this one is Echiveria Badis. And these two little different species are very beautiful compact plants. I really love the pink ruby, and when it matures it becomes more pinkish than this. If you look at this clearly, the Badis have a very thick leaves and the water consumption is low than normal other plants, and this has been in this pot for a while and it was $6, and this can stay longer in this pot too, but I thought I will buy this and do a plant arrangement with this. And I have few more that are very compact plants, and if you grow this in a smaller pot, this will be there forever. And the pink ruby plant is a bit expensive compared to other plants because of its color. Sometimes it's hard to find, so I was going to buy this online and it was like $15, but I got this for $9. And I have seen this plant and it is really beautiful when you put a gritty succulent soil mix. But if you want to get more babies, you need to put it in a medium grade succulent soil mix so you can get the color as well as the babies. And when you have these flowers, I normally don't take the seeds. I just take all these little leaves and I put it on a pot or a tray with the name and the date. That is the most important thing. Like this. And I will get rid of this one because I don't want it. Look at this pot with the soil. I already put one leaf already fallen off, and I'm going to leave them like this on it, and some of these ones, and I will leave that stem to grow a little bit more and get all these leaves out and propagate. Can get this, but the other leaves are tender, so I will leave it few weeks to get the leaves out and leave the flower to bloom because this has no pests at the moment. We'll see you in my next video with a succulent arrangement or with another plant, and please make sure to subscribe my channel and give a good thumbs up. See you next time.